Huh? Yeah, there's two behind the wooden barricade right ahead of us. 3 in fact. Wooden barricade straight to my 12 o'clock. There's 4 of them behind it. 3 of them behind it now. 1 down. Another 1 down. Yeah, if you can make it to that ditch ahead of us, that's a start. Quiet. Right. How many of you? Oh, still got my pistol, that's a nice change. Is that you? You stop attacking that tree. One down. Oh, come up. Get him? Take it. Go, go, go. Hey.
And there's the bomb.
Woo.
1 minute it didn't feed, it just wind down. Sticking in that sticky foot.
Not very well, there, are
He's down, I think. Got plaster. And him. Fuck off.
Two down.
Yeah, I got both of them. I've got the two in the right.
Alright. Thank you. 1 down.
I might move from into the cover.
Yes, you can.
I'm going to go for it.
Right.
I get hit, hang on.
Yeah. Damn it. Oh. Right. Where's that bomb?
30 seconds, lads! The bomb's right.
Ah! Right hand side.
Where are you looking at?
Right hand side over there.
Yeah.
There's two of them.
Yeah, but they completely hold their stance. They just so much cover, trying to go for it, pop it out.
One down, one of them down.
Is that one down?
One of them down. There's the one left.
See where that brown board is, to the head, to the right of it. Can you see that? Oh, yeah, brown board is just to the right of that. Where I'm shooting, you see that? Yeah. He's round there.
Second one down. They're both down. There's one more. There's the third.
No, like Vienna. Oh, right on the finger. Sorry, mate.
No, you're not. You're loving it. There's one at the top in the centre of the hill. Do this.
Go on, guys. Forward. Come on, you fucker. Down here, down here. Go on, guys, move in. Find the dead players down the back, guys.
Hit!
Are we allowed to turn over here or not? On the left.
Someone got him. Well, me. One down.
Oh, blue on the other side.
Excellent. Yes, I think they are. Doink. One down. Smoke grenade coming in. Smoke coming in.
Pushing down that trench. On your left.
Shoot his head
Oh, shot him right in the head.
then. Do you take it?
No.
Stop her. Fuck.
He's fucking... Oh, right in the face. I don't think he likes it.
Well, if he's not going to take the first one, he shouldn't play about a second, should he? Oh, there's one. Nope, that's a bush. There we go.
You might want to concentrate the fire in that area of it.
On the left. Left, they're through the fence.
I told you range people.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Kind of ceases to be a problem when you get smarter.
yeah, that's why I went for DMR, because I don't want sort of the patience and...
Oh shit, you're alright. Sorry, man. Sorry.
Son of a...
Stick.
Ah,